Hello, ma'am. Are there any must-read editorials for today's edition?
Yes, absolutely. There are very important editorials today as well. We are going to cover editorials from both the newspaper, The Hindu as well as the Indian Express. And let's start with the Indian Express. Come, let's have a look. So the first very important editorial is Trump looms over COP even after pulling US out of Paris Pact. This is very important. Why? Because the BRICS have not only an obligation but a vested interest in adding their theft to the South's demand. Now with the US out and Europe ambivalent, checking these Chinese ambition of global leadership on climate change is urgent and imperative. Again, very important for environment as well as international relations perspective. Now the second editorial in the Indian Express is Pakistan's double game with China and America is its ticket to disaster. Written by Mr. Shashi Tharoor, and it talks about that there are also a domestic imperative. Pakistan's economy is fragile and it is severely import dependent, needs constant inflows of foreign direct investment, and is desperate to monetize its untapped mineral wealth. By playing the US and China off each other is seen as a viable path to attract capital, and this is also very important for international relations as well as economic perspective. And now let's talk about the Hindu's article. Now there is one editorial which is very important in The Hindu, which is in Brazil COP30 and the moment of truth. It says the setting of the Belém summit in the Amazon will help lead the way in effective action to tackle climate change. It is also about climate change and how to tackle it. Very important for environment perspective. So these are the three most important editorials in today's newspapers, and if you want an in-depth analysis of these editorials, please go watch our DNA video for all the in-depth analysis. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.